You guys are looking at this correctly. Yep, this is a monster truck Lightning McQueen, not like the Frightening McQueen we got back in 2010. Nope, this is a factory custom from AliExpress, eBay. You see these types of cars from, match the colours, red to red, blue to blue, sort of thing in those childish videos. But today we will actually be taking a closer look at this diecast closer up properly. And yes, it is diecast. So, looks pretty cool. You've got, the usual parts of a monster truck. I guess you've got the guards, you've got the sticker of the 95, which looks like it's going to peel off from this angle. Very nice expression, smiling expression. Medicated Rusty's rear end formula. Very nice. At least they got that one correct. 95 on the top. We've got Rusty stickers all around. This is based on the Cars 3 McQueen. We got all the suspension there as well. And yep, Lightyear tyres in red. Very nice. On the back, not too much to talk about. No rear lights or nothing like that, so a little bit inaccurate there. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. There is the base if you want to check it out. Nothing at all on the base. Does make this weird noise when you push it along though. Yeah, there is that. Quick comparison to the regular Lightning McQueen. You could just see the size difference. Of course. Still got the Lightyear rims. You can see what I mean about them missing the bits on the back. Of course, I can't forget to show the XOS Mud Racer from 2018. Very nice thumbnail screenshot worthy right there. And of course, like I did show it a minute ago, we got Frightening McQueen. The size difference is just absolutely amazing. There is 3 versions of this guy out there. I believe I do have a multi-pack one. I can't quite remember which one this one is. But yeah, comment down below if you like this McQueen. I will review Jackson Storm, Cruise Mirrors and Mater in the future. I do have them, right there, ready to review. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification button down below, and comment down below what you think of this McQueen. And to the very next video, peace everybody.